Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket inside turn. Prerequisites for this: you need to be able to do a basket already, and it would be a good idea to have learned a first move inside turn, which is an easier inside turn variation. Links to the teaching clips for those in the description below, so if you want to go back and check out any details, it's easy for you to find those clips. Okay, so the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's got slightly more advanced technique than the first move inside turn. We will break it down. So we go back 1, standard so far, wrap into the basket. 2, still standard. This is where it changes. While we twist the lady out, we need to get across and past the lady, but we don't want to do it with the left step. We need to step across with the right, otherwise we're going to find it very difficult to reach and hold the basket position. So we're going to step across the lady with the right, so we're leaving the left foot behind. From this position we're going to start to add rotation with the left hand, and once you start to add rotation with the left hand, we're going to let go with the right hand, so it's sliding onto the lady's back. The left hand is coming up. We're going to have to head forwards at the same time as we do this to get out of the lady's way, and at that point we can pull with the right hand to give the lady a little bit of extra help coming forwards. So we get out of the way, the left hand is going to go up over the lady's head, the pull with the right brings the lady through as we get the leg out of the way, so we get the travelling return to finish, and the guys just come back into face at the end. So the guys have got to do all that in the right order. So you've got to have gone across on the right, you've got to start the rotation with the left hand, slide the right hand to the back, and as you bring the lady forwards, the left hand's got to get up and we've got to get out of the way to make it happen. If it's going to go wrong, it'll be one of those things happens in the wrong order. Okay, let's talk numbers and give you the view from the other side. So we go back 1, wrap, 2, twist the lady out and cut across, 3. This is where you'll see what happens. During count 4, we've got to start the movement with rotation. We've got to get the hand to the back so we can lead the lady forwards. Left hand's got to go up over the lady's head. Guy's got to get out of the way, bring the lady through 4, and just away 5. So let's try it. Nice and slow together, this one, because you don't want to learn this fast. It'll work fast. Just a little bit of practice first. So here we go. 5, 6. A basket inside turn. We go a back, wrap, cut across, inside turn, and we're done. That's it. Hope that comes good for you. It's one of those things, break it down slow, you'll get there, gradually speed it up. Don't try and go for it fast straight away. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move, subscribing helps promote the channel. Can't say how much we really thank everybody who subscribes, and the notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, and the other windows are recommendations of things that the algorithm thinks you're going to like because you like this. Okay, so as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.